shaping the future of the internet. The world needs more full-stack heroes to drive the next wave of technological advancements. Let's start with the front end, the face of your application, the part that users see and interact with directly. This is where the magic happens, where your vision comes to life and meets the user's expectations. Imagine it as a shop window, carefully arranged to entice customers. Just like a well-decorated shop window draws people in, a well-designed front end attracts users to explore further. Your mission is to make it visually appealing, easy to navigate, and engaging enough to keep users hooked. A seamless user experience can turn casual visitors into loyal users. The foundation of front-end development lies in the trinity of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. These are the essential building blocks that every front-end developer must master. HTML is the backbone, providing the basic structure and content of your web page. It defines the elements and layout, giving your website its essential form. Think of it as the skeleton that gives your website its form. Without HTML, there would be no structure to build upon. CSS is the artist, adding style and visual flair to the HTML structure. It transforms the plain skeleton into a beautiful, eye-catching design. It's like dressing up the skeleton, adding colors, fonts, and layouts to make your website visually appealing. CSS allows you to create a unique and engaging visual identity for your site. Finally, JavaScript is the magician that brings your website to life. It adds functionality and interactivity, making your site dynamic and responsive. It adds interactivity, animations, and dynamic elements, making your website more responsive and engaging for users. JavaScript can turn a static page into an interactive experience. But the journey doesn't end there. Front-end development is an ever-evolving field, and staying updated with the latest trends and technologies is crucial. To streamline your workflow and build more complex applications, you'll need to befriend front-end frameworks like React or Angular. These tools can significantly enhance your productivity and efficiency. These frameworks are like pre-built templates or Lego sets, providing reusable components and structures to accelerate your development process. They allow you to build sophisticated applications with less effort. Mastering these front-end technologies is about more than writing code. It's about understanding user experience and designing interfaces that are both visually appealing and intuitive to use. A great front end is user-centric, focusing on the needs and preferences of the user. Remember, your front end is the first impression your application makes on the user, so make it count. A well-crafted front end can set the tone for the entire user experience, making it memorable and enjoyable. ensuring it can handle the demands of your users and deliver a seamless experience. This involves rigorous testing, performance optimization, and continuous monitoring to ensure that your application remains responsive and secure under all conditions. Now that you've dipped your toes into the front end and back end, it's time to understand how these two worlds collide and collaborate to create a harmonious whole. Imagine a bridge connecting two islands. That's what integration does for the front end and back end. The front end and back end communicate with each other through something called APIs, or Application Programming Interfaces. Think of APIs as messengers carrying requests and responses between the two sides. When you click a button on a website, the front end sends a request to the back end through an API. The back end processes the request, retrieves the necessary data, and sends back a response, which the front end then uses to update the user interface. For example, imagine you're booking a flight on a travel website. When you click the Search Flights button, the front end sends a request to the back end with your search criteria. The back end then queries the database of available flights, packages the results, and sends them back to the front end. Finally, the front end displays the flight options on your screen. Seamless integration between the front end and back end is crucial for building responsive, dynamic, and user-friendly applications. It's about ensuring that the two sides work together flawlessly, like a well-choreographed dance, to deliver a seamless and enjoyable user experience.